Could we have one more? One more. You want to do legs?
I think that she's got back problems. I think her legs are messed up.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. I mean, we'll see, guys. Do something. Okay. Now you guys got the gist of this, right? You got the gist of it. Now you got the gist of it. I want you guys to break up into pairs. Pair up with someone where you are. Everyone's got to pair up with. Okay. Because what we're going to do now, is we're going to do the leg thing. What Charles and Francis had to call the leg thing. One leg is short.